How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a girlfriend step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you get a girlfriend? The first thing that you need to do to get a girlfriend, in my opinion, is obviously you need to communicate with them in some way. A lot of people, they don't do any type of communication. Like they won't talk to them, they won't text them. Well, you're not going to get a girlfriend like that. Nobody's going to come up to you and be like, hey, you want to be my boyfriend or you want to be my girlfriend? Like no one is going to do that. Like you literally have to communicate with the person. Now, when I was dating back in the day, because I'm a little bit older right now, you guys, we really didn't have any of these dating apps. Nowadays, it's all dating apps. So you actually had to go in person, go to parties, stuff like that, go to events and actually talk to the person. Now you can go on an app and just text them, which is way easier because it's way easier to send a text than to cold approach someone in person and actually talk to them, right? Because you send a text, you get like take 5-10 minutes, you can take half an hour to think about a response. But the number one thing is you have to communicate them, whether talking in person or texting. The next thing is the dating apps. They're super easy. I think they're really, really good because you can meet a ton of people like that. And it's way easier to meet people like that than an actual person or in person, in my opinion. So get on some dating apps, in my opinion. The next thing is I would try to pay for a dating app if you can. Most people that are serious, they're probably most people that are serious, or sorry, most people that are not serious are probably not going to pay like 20, 30 bucks a month or even 10 bucks a month. They're probably just going to stick to the free ones. So if you're looking for someone that's really serious, I would consider paying even just a little bit for a website that does that, because then you're probably going to get more serious people, in my opinion. Another thing is lifting weights, building muscle, stuff like that. That really works well for getting a girlfriend because girls see that as, whoa, he's consistent, he's hardworking, they like muscles because it's comforting to them. A lot of good things can happen when you start working out. Your confidence levels too are going to skyrocket because you look better in your body, you feel stronger, your energy levels are skyrocketed. So that's what I would recommend to do. Get on a dating app, preferably one that pays just even a little bit of money. You don't have to, but I'd recommend it. And then start lifting weights, building muscle, just get on a routine, start eating healthy, and you'll notice a huge difference. You'll get a girlfriend easily. Trust me, easily. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.